Looking at some cars. No one's bothering me. Hello? No, this is not the gym. I think you have the wrong number. No, this is not the gym. This is not the gym. This is not the gym! No! Hung up. Oh well. Excuse me, sir? What do you think you're doing? This is not the gym. I think you need to leave right now.
Oh, hey, you gonna work out with me?
I think
do some crunches. Here we go.
I think
100. Yeah. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing?
you need to leave right now. And don't come back. Gosh, there's some crazy people around here.
That was weird. The door was unlocked. Good to be home after a long day. I can't find my cat or my husband. Where are they? Fluffy!
Excuse me, miss.
Honey! Fluffy!
What do you think you're doing?
Oh, there you are, Fluffy!
This is a pillow.
Fluffy! Honey! There you are! Oh!
I think...
How could you do that to your wife? Why don't you help the young lady up? Oh!
I think you need to leave
Are you
now.
divorcing me already? No!
Get out. Gosh, there's some crazy people.
Ladies first.
I gotta do some more working out.